Gonna do a rim job here. Today we're gonna be rebuilding two RS8 Watanabe two-piece rims. And we're going to reassemble them, finish them, make them look all purty. So stay tuned, let's do this. All right, running out of light, so good enough. For now, we'll do a full polish on these later. But now, it's time to put the two pieces together. So now, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it all up. I'm going to get as close as possible to where it's supposed to be, based on these holes here, based on lining up all these holes, and the stem, and then I'm going to hammer it in with a piece of wood as my target here. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, it's pretty lined up. I'll start hammering it in. Alright, making progress, and everything is still lined up. Nice and good. Not seeing any problems. So I'm going to keep on going. And now we twist in the nuts. So the way I'm doing this is I'm tightening them all down, and that's going to pull the two pieces together, the rim and the drum. And then once I've done that, I'm going to leave it overnight, let it settle. I'm going to go through and blast them all again with the impact drill. And then after that, I'm going to back them off one by one and re-impact them on, but using some blue Loctite. So I blasted all 16 of the bolts last night after I took my last video. Tighten them all down one last time. I let them sit overnight, tighten. I went through and checked them all for hand tightness, just trying to crank up the nut on the back of each one of the bolts. And they were all still tight. So now the process is I'm going to go through, loosen them all back up, completely back them out. And then I'm using blue Loctite 115. I'm applying a little bit inside the nut. And then I'm screwing them back in, tightening them as hard as I can by hand, not using the impact system. So just tightening them up as much as I can by hand. Which should be, like, if you're not doing too much stretch, should be about 35 to 40 pounds. This is the part about building cars that people don't understand how rough it is. So that's why when another guy goes, nice car, you're like...